With the increasing demand for financial analysis, the investment banking field offers a unique opportunity to make a lasting impact on businesses and society. It also offers a high potential for salary growth and job security, making it a great career choice. Financial Analyst Master's Program. This program offers you the opportunity to master the most sought-after skills to become a financial analyst. No matter what your career goals are, our Financial Analyst Master's Program offers assured career success. How is this program different from other programs out there? We have gone to great lengths to design the perfect learning path by collaborating with the best minds in the industry. In addition to the key skills that you will learn, the program also readies you for job preparation through courses on resume preparation, interview preparation, communication skills, and more. You will master key skills and tools like Excel, financial modeling, LBO, and valuation, along with technical analysis, hedge funds, and much more. What's more, you will have industry projects on automobile, retail, banking, and e-commerce, preparing you for a career in various industries. We are happy to say that our alumni work in top companies like JP Morgan, Nomura, Morgan Stanley, and many more. Make this investment for your career today and reap rich benefits. And the price is extremely affordable for what you will get in return. Join us today.